Good evening, everyone. My name is Jenny, and I'm really excited to share with you the application of brushing and calendar machine in the textile industry. After that, my partner Dr. Jagadish will provide more detail to our AI calendar. We are very proud to be from Taiwan, a major hub for semiconductor manufacturing. And all our machines are produced in Taiwan to ensure top production quality. Let's explore how the state of the machine enhances the property. So, what is the calendar machine? A calendar machine is used in the textile industry to smooth and compress the fabrics, enhancing the appearance and quality. The main function of calendar machine includes smoothing the fabrics, improving hand feel, providing rainproof water pressure resistant, and special functional processing like water pressure resistant and damp-proof air permeability resistant. Before calendering, chemicals are applied to the fabrics, and this can improve the properties such as water resistant. Chemical calendar machines are versatile and find many applications in calendar machine. For instance, in bedding, they can increase the appearance and feel. In down jacket, they can ensure the good downward in scalp. Backpack benefit from the waterproofing, and while the artificial leaves gain a glossy appearance. Other examples include ski clothes, sleeping bag, windsurfing, and parachutes. There are benefits from waterproofing and windproof. Let's move on to the sueding machine. So this machine is essential for producing shirts and even nap on the fabric surface, can improve hand feel. The main function of sueding machine, including water policy for light rain, also can create imitation suede and pitch skin effects. And this is like the fluff on the lotus leaf after calendering. The water bits will not roll off and can not penetrating. Unlike the natural imitation, it can the natural leather, they will have various tearing strengths, but the imitation, they can have consistent strength, so they are more durable. We also offer the customized service, so the sueding machine roller can be changed or replaced to a carbon brushing roller for your customer. Also, our machines have a lot of benefits and advantages. Calendar machines can increase the fabric smoothness and luster, and improve fabric quality and functionality, while sueding machines can enhance the fabric softness and textures, increase fabric volume and appeal. And lastly is our energy-saving assistant. Our machines can increase production capacity by 50 to 150% depending on fabric type. Also can reduce the manpower by 50 to 150% and mechanical energy consumption by 20 to 30%. Okay, so now let's place the microphone to Dr. Jagadish.
Very good evening to all. So far, our other team members have introduced many machines and their final product, but at the end, you need to inspect whether the quality is good or not. So today, I will introduce our AI-based automatic fabric defect detection. Not for these fabrics, you can include your own customization fabric as well. So what are the objectives of this presentation? So first to detect defects, second to improve the quality inspection, third to be competitive in the market, and to remove the human inaccuracy from defect detection, and the final to make the product low cost compared to other existing model machines. So how do we detect using AI? So first, we know that AI is an emerging field in almost all the industries, not just fabric like medical industry. Now we have virtual assistants, and then the automatic vehicles. All of them are using AI-based models, and AI is a machine that can take decision by their own like a human. And recently NVIDIA announces their AI-based chip, which can be more faster than current CPUs. So AI fabric defect detection, we need three things like inputs, images, then the machine learning models, and then finally we test whether our developed model is good or not. And also this model can make the fully automatic control system of any machine. You don't need to intervene using even human. You can make it fully automated automation. So how to detect defects? So here is the algorithm. Recently, YOLO algorithm was developed in 2016, and this algorithm is the state of the art in AI development. This model can actually detect objects in a frame, and how they do? So first is input. We have to train the model using inputs. So in our case, we train the model with samples of different kind of fabrics and their types of defects. So if you want to detect defects in your own fabrics, so you can let us know, and what kind of defects you have, you let us know, that we can build your own model to detect defects. And how they do? It's a backbone, it's a network, it's a convolutional network. It actually responsible for identify the information from the image, and that information goes to head, and that is the responsible for detection, the bounding box, where is the location, what is the type of that defect, and what is the confidence score of that defects. And finally, the detection and prediction was this. The last part is output, that actually makes the final output of the detection. So here is the feature map. Like we have input in the left, and we have some defects, and the feature map is really responsible to find only the defect area. And that is why everybody is working on backbone network to make more precise detection. Now fabrics and defect types. Till now we have developed two models for functional fabric and the calendar fabric. If you want your own fabric, you can let us know, we can develop for you as well. So these are the types, 10 types. This is the most common type of fabrics, and if we know these types of defect in the fabric, that means we can understand there is some problem in the machine, and we can fix that machine by knowing what kind of defects these are. And you can see this is the result from our model, and it is not just only single defects, it can detect multiple defects in the same image. So this is the benefit of our model, and this is the layout. This is actually old machine, they are using traditional image processing method, but we have replaced this machine with our newly developed model. So this is the our module. If you have your existing machine, if you want to convert it to new machine, you just need to add this module. This module comes with cameras, camera frame, and computers, and some light sources depending on your system. Or you can buy new machine from us that we already discussed about the calendar machine, brushing machine. We can install this module into them. So this is the specification. Currently we are using this kind of machine like CPUs and 10 kinds of defects and 6 colors. It's a single color fabric, and the machine speed is vary from 15 to 70 meter per minute depending on your situation. And the accuracy of this model is more than 95%. So you can have high quality at your finishing product. So thank you. If you have any queries, you can let us know.